Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix verification code problem in your Botim applications. So guys, whenever we try to sign up or create an account on Botim app, so the most irritated moment is when we don't receive the verification code here. So guys, how you can fix this, I'll tell you step-by-step process in this video. So stay tuned with the video. You have to do two settings in your mobile. The first thing, you have to go to setting, and then you have to find out application manager, which will be on the last option, application manager, or you may find out apps applications in your phone. And what you have to do is you have to select all application, and then you have to find out messages. Now let's find out messages. Messages, as you can see, click on the messages, and then you have to go to permission, and now you have to enable phone SMS storage permission. Until unless you enable these permissions, you will never receive any messages in your mobile or any OTP or any verification code. And then you have to go back, and then now you have to find out Botim application. As you can see, Botim app is here. Click over there, and then what you have to do is go to storage use once and clear data. Click on clear data and clear it. Come back, and then go to permission and allow all this permission. And after allowing all this permission, you go back to your Botim app and open your Botim app, and now try to sign in or sign up again. Now let's enter our mobile number and let's see whether we will get the verification code or not. I will definitely get, because I have solved my problem, and you will also definitely get your OTP. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and then we will definitely receive our verification code. Now let's wait for some time. So now as you can see, I got my verification code, which is 552124. 552124. And as you can see, right after entering our verification code, it will automatically detect your mobile number and you will get verified. So this is how you can solve your verification code problem in your Botim app. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching.